Boom, 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 boom. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Yegor here, a member of PATH, and did you see that huge building over there? And I've heard that inside there are a lot of artifacts that are exhibited there for the first time. And there's a very special performance that is waiting for everyone. So let's get started.
China Traditional Culture Museum is located near Beijing National Stadium and Beijing National Aquatic Center, serving as an important cultural landmark on the Central Axis. Now the exhibition is divided into 8 sections. A total of 1,298 exhibits are on display for its first exhibition, including arts and crafts, kuchins, copies of Silk Road murals, inscription and seal cutting, woodblock New Year paintings, traditional musical instruments, opera and performing arts, Chinese paper cut, etc.
So here I heard they have a very special instrument, and it's a Chinese lute. It's called pipa, but it's not made of usual material. So let's go and take a look. Most of the traditional musical instruments are made of wood. In China, a lot of instruments are made of bamboo, but here we can find a Chinese lute, which is called pipa, and it's made of copper, and it's right here. There's a friend of mine who works here, and she knows all about different Chinese operas. So let's go meet her. I think she's waiting for me. Hey, Yuan. Hello. 你早跟我说要跟我介绍戏曲吧？
是。
从哪里开始？
咱们从皮影开始，
Okay.
这边走。
Oh, shadow puppetry, guys.
整个的戏曲艺术呢，一共是包含了348个剧种嘛。然后像我们这个皮影呢，是属于傀儡戏这个剧种的。
Wow. The journey to the west.
对。
You see over there?
Yes. 那边的这个木偶戏也是属于这个傀儡戏的一种。
Oh, just take a look. Now this is stringed puppetry. So you have to be really multi-talented because you have to sing and control the puppets. Ooh, this is so
对，
nice.
这4件戏是我们馆里面非常受欢迎。
Just look at that robe. Like you could just see how, you know, the majestic was the whole performance back in the day. 你看这个衣服，
上面这个花儿就跟牡丹啊这种花，对，吉祥富贵的寓意嘛。这个呢是男蟒，就是男士的蟒袍，蟒服。
This is the male robe,
对
everybody.
整个的这个戏服上面有大象，大象上面呢又有这个花瓶，
对
上面有插了花，所以您可以猜猜叫什么？叫
OK
太平有象。
太平有
对，
象，
有瓶子有象。
Just the play of words that, you know, they have it in Chinese.
这个门帘台帐呢是梅兰芳先生他当时使用过的。左边这个它是当时演《霸王别姬》的时候的一件戏，非常漂亮，是黄色的。
That's really beautiful, like that yellow robe over there. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed those couple sections that we just saw, but do you remember I told you about the special performance? It's right there. So let's go inside and see what surprise is waiting for us. The similar techniques are used on the guitar, but when you hear it on pipa, it's just so different. This is actually heavy. 它挺重的。然后
对。
Oh, 45 angled. Because I have a habit of playing guitar, and the guitar you would do vibrato, like that, but you don't do that for pipa. 琵琶不会这么弄吧？
会
也会哦，you can do
琵
it。
琶的非常的一个特色，它的音韵。
OK，这不是非遗馆嘛？就主要是介绍的非物质文化遗产，然后呢，让更多的年轻人喜欢。你觉得比较好的方式，怎么可以让年轻人喜欢？
我觉得在我们创新之前，肯定还是要很原汁儿原味的去继承一下我们的传统音乐。在这个基础上，我们再做一些创新，会更好的发展民族音乐。
再有就是多来听听我们
Okay. I like that. I like that. 这个很好。Guys, it was so cool to visit this museum and just feel the charm of the intangible cultural heritage of China. And just think about it, that it's pretty much like the generations before us. They've created this wonderful treasure, and now we have to preserve it. And I just love to see how young people are adding their innovations and new life into this intangible cultural heritage. I loved it. Guys, I hope that you loved this episode of On Site, because I will see you in our next one. See you there.